Good morning and welcome to today's episode of As the Timing Chain Turns, coming to you live from sunny Stevensville, Maryland. We're bringing you a new developing story.
That's right, breaking right now. Sarah, if you could take us to the powertrain fail cam.
I can't believe you made me drive this stupid car today. I'm sitting on the side of the road, the engine locked up, I can't go anywhere, I need a tow right now. Well, you put all this money into the cam phasers, you should have just bought a Powertrain Products Reman 5.4 liter engine. I don't understand. Such a waste of money. Get me a tow truck right now.
Like I said, folks, it's a situation we know all too well. Your engine is knocking like a Little Richard song. You don't know if the tow service that shows up will be a creep that smells like Fritos or someone that actually wants to help you.
Not so sure we should worry about the tow truck guy. Look at her go. What about the guy on the other end of that phone? She's really laying into him.
Well, Drew, I tell ya, if he would have just listened and purchased the Powertrain Products engine, instead of dumping all that money into those cam phasers, she'd be okay right now.
Well, Powertrain Products, they have that towing coverage.
They do, in their Pure Care plan, yes. And it looks like she's just discovered how much that tow bill is. For once, how about we bring you some not fake news?
Let's talk about that 5.4 a little more in detail. Sarah, can you take us over to the warehouse cam?
So here we are in the warehouse with a fully updated, real-life Powertrain Products 3-valve engine.
That's right, Elena. Let's go ahead and pop the valve cover off this 3-valve and show them some of the updates and improvements we've made on the 3-valve.
Our Ford 5.4 3-valve engines are built to exceed the original OEM specifications. We have reconstructed this engine using the best parts available to improve not only its quality, but also the longevity of this engine as well.
That's right. We install 100% updated new cam phasers. We line bore all the cam bores that have been damaged and install a custom bearing with stock dimension camshafts. We have 100% new VCT solenoids. We also install a multi-layer steel head gasket. We've also added all new OEM timing components to prevent the chain slap. We have 100% new valve train in each one of these 5.4s to include the valves, locks, guides, seats, rockers, and lifters. On top of all of that, we've added many additional features that help improve this engine above its factory counterpart.
And there you have it, everyone. Another perfect example of why you should purchase a completely remanufactured, fully updated Powertrain Products 5.4 liter engine.
That's right. Get yours at powertrainproducts.net or call one of our drivetrain geniuses at 888-842-0023.
This has been another live broadcast from As the Timing Chain Turns. To stay tuned, follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel.